Hello, first grade Kipsters. Today, we're going to start something new called Problem of the Day. This might feel like CGI time in class. Now, here's how it's going to work. We're going to solve two story problems together. The first problem, Miss Bruhl is going to show you how she would solve it, and you're going to follow along. The second problem, you're going to solve all by yourself. You're going to show your work on a paper and send a picture of your work to your teacher. So you'll hear two problems. The first one, Miss Bruhl's solving with you. The second one, it's your job to solve by yourself. All right, let's get started with story problem number 1. Remember, good mathematicians always picture the story in their head so they're ready to solve. Listen to the story. Remember, picture the story in your head. Josiah has 13 Skittles. William has 18 more Skittles than Josiah. How many Skittles does William have? Listen one more time. Josiah has 13 Skittles. William has 18 more Skittles than Josiah. How many Skittles does William have? Okay, picture that story in your mind. Now when we're solving, we might not have our cubes at home, so I'm going to show you how I would solve with a picture. The first information I heard in the story was that Josiah has 13 Skittles. I can draw 13 in tens and ones. 1, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to add a label because I know that is 13. And these are Josiah's Skittles. 10, 11, 12, 13. I also heard in the story that William has 18 more Skittles than Josiah. If he has 18 more than Josiah, that means he has the 13 and 18 more. So we're going to leave this 13, but I'm going to draw 18 more to figure out how many Skittles William has. How can I draw 18 in tens and ones? Yes, I can draw 1, 10, 10, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This part shows the 18 more. So I drew Josiah's Skittles, then I drew the 18 more. That means this whole picture is going to show me how many Skittles William has. Now I need to figure out how many in all. I'll count my tens first and then my ones. We always label with the numbers we say while we count to carefully check our work. So I'm going to label as I count. Count with me. 10, 20. Now I'll switch to my ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I labeled with the numbers I said as I count. Next, I need to circle the answer in my strategy. My total was 31. Next, I'm going to add a word from the story. What do we have 31 of? We were looking for how many Skittles William has, so that means William has 31 Skittles. I'll add that word from the story. The next thing I need to do is write a number sentence to match what I did to solve. Just make a little more space to match. My number sentence needs to match what I did. So I know first, I had 13 to show Josiah's Skittles. But to figure out how many William had, I had to add 18 more. So I'll do 13 plus 18. When I found my total, I had 31. So 13 plus 18 equals 31. Take a look at this work. We had a clear, neat picture. We labeled with the numbers we said while we counted. We circled our answer, and we wrote a number sentence. That's what top quality story problems are like. Now it's your turn to solve a similar problem. Listen to your story that you'll solve on your paper. Listen closely. Good mathematicians make a movie in their brain to picture the story. Tommy has 18 Legos. Freddie has 23 more Legos than Tommy. How many Legos does Freddie have? Listen again. Tommy has 18 Legos. Freddie has 23 more Legos than Tommy. How many Legos does Freddie have? All right. Now it's going to be time for you to solve that problem. Make sure you draw a picture. You label with the numbers you said when you count. You circle your answer and write a word from the story. Then you write an answer sentence. Your work should look kind of like mine. I am so excited to see the pictures of your hard work and to see all your smart mathematician brains working hard on this challenge problem. See you tomorrow for a new problem of the day. Bye, first grade.